Today we talk about how can you upgrade your premium on your Reverso context app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so just click on your photo profile here, you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you just go down here, you click here on upgrade to premium, you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list, and here you click here on try for free and subscribe. We just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just here add your credit or debit card, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.